I just had a nice question from someone about using the rotate tool. This is the rotate tool here. I've got an object selected. It's a 3D object, and I'm going to use it in the auto plane mode. Now this is going to allow me to rotate it relative to the plane of the object. I'm just using the standard rotate. I've got a single rotate, so I'm not duplicating objects. So if I highlight the top blue face, click to start my rotation, there it is there. So just make sure you keep that blue side highlighted. So click, that's the start of my rotation, that's my point to rotate, and there it is, and I've just brought that up so it's now standing up a little bit. If you want to, you can create an working plane, and then from the working plane you can then rotate it relative to the working plane. So I'm going to create a working plane on the top of my object. I'm going to use my selection tool. I'm going to rotate my working plane. Just going to rotate that about 15 degrees. Back to my selection tool, select that object, back to our rotate, this one here. We're going to use the working plane, not the automatic plane, the working plane this time. So now when I click to start, that's my point there, and then I can rotate that round, and it's actually rotated it on the working plane. So you can see it's changed it, and so it's rotated it on that working plane, so that's twisted around. So if you want the simple answer, here it is here. Select the object, don't use a working plane, just use your regular layer plane. And if you want to change working planes, palettes, working planes, double click on the active layer plane to make it back to the layer plane. Then we can use our rotate tool as we did previously. So remember, if you highlight the object, and now we've gone back to layer plane here, we need to go back to automatic working plane. Now I can grab hold of that object, click, that's the center of my rotation, click, this is the point to rotate, and then I can stand it upright, and now that object is standing up. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also hit the like button. It really does help. Ka kite.